Hey guys, welcome back to South Florida. Today I have the honor of showing you this exclusive sneak peek at Bryan Halda's house in Belle Mead. He is with Ray and Associates Properties.
That's right.
And you guys have to check out this house. I fell in love with it already. I can't wait to show you the rest of it. This house is special to me for one reason. It's not just your house, it is also my friend Abe's house. The man behind the camera is in every single one of my videos. Abe, please get over here. I want the world to finally get to meet you. He has done every single video for us, and it's now your turn to be in front of the camera. So Bryan, please take it away. You guys have an amazing house. Congratulations to both of you.
Well, welcome to our house. Built in 1935, 4 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms. 12,500 square foot lot, which is oversized for the area, 2,600 square feet, and I've been here for 27 years, so it's good, very emotional to sell.
In all those years you've been here, what would you tell everyone that is your favorite thing about this house? What are you gonna miss the most?
The privacy.
Okay.
And the neighbors.
The neighbors.
Also, the location's very, very good. We're close to South Beach. We're close to downtown Miami, Brickell, the Design District. You've got I-95 north and south, just a couple blocks away.
Right. And
then also Aventura and all the major sporting events is just only minutes away.
Miami meets Bali in this gracious 1935 Mediterranean home nestled in Belle Mead, one of Miami's most cherished districts. The oversized 12,500 corner lot, gated and fenced for total privacy, is the largest of its type in the area, affording rustic tranquility. The outdoors feature a lush garden of exotic and imported plants and bamboo, a 3,500 gallon koi pond with coral waterfall, and a state-of-the-art filtration system. Charming pool cabana is part of the 4-bedroom and has its own separate entrance to the garden and chicky hut access to the jacuzzi and pool. I cannot thank Bryan and Abe enough for welcoming me into their beautiful home. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did. The best thing about this particular career is that you can be part of people's journey from the beginning to the end when they're finally selling their home and moving on to the next house. So if you have any questions about the South Florida market, if you need any help navigating through the process, wanting to know how the market is changing, I am here to help you, and I would be honored if you contacted me. All of my information is in the description below, so I can help you make a smooth move to South Florida.